to clarify that I had a much more engaging vlog, I'd say. This is going to be a little different from what I originally planned it, as there's a lot less things of me talking to the camera while I'm at the competition. It's going to be more of me walking you through it now, because I accidentally deleted a bunch of my footage. But enjoy what's there, and the video starts with 2x2 round 1 and goes into 3x3 round 1. Alright, thanks. After 3x3 round 1 and 2x2 round 1, I decided I don't like 2x2 because I've already decided that before. But I got a 6-second average in 2x2, you know, not special or anything. But 3x3 was crazy. I got a 10-second single, and my previous PR single was a 13. I got a 13 average. Like, that was a crazy round. Anyway, on to Chipotle. We're at Chipotle now.
Excitement.
We will come back to you with our burritos.
Excited. Oh my gosh.
It'll be very good.
Yay.
Take pictures first.
Yeah, bro? Ew. Okay.
So I just had gotten Chipotle. You know, glorious food in your stomach might make you assume that, oh, well, now he's going to get some great 2x2 solves. Yeah. I wanted a 4 average, and to get into the final. You'll see what happens. Got a 7-second average. Not really what I was going for, but it's okay. And next was square one. I had gotten a square one like 2 weeks before this competition, which was the MGC, and I like the event. I'm not good at it though. I basically got a 58 on the first solve, and the cutoff is 55. So I was really discouraged going to the second one. I was like, oh boy. But the second one had pretty good cube shape. It wasn't like an incredible cube shape, but it was a pretty good cube shape. And I was able to decently turn the puzzle. And it was a pretty good solve because I think I got parity, but I still got a 53. So I was able to do the whole average and got a 113, which I was very glad with. But yeah, I lost my square one footage. And then next was 5x5 first round, which I also don't have footage for, except for a sped up video that you can laugh at. And then after that was 3x3 second round, so you can see how that went. Five goals, sub 150 single and a sub 2 average. Did not make 2x2 finals, so I'm ready. I made 5x5 finals, so I might make 3x3. It's 2x2, and I am Rita Archer. 5x5 finals were ridiculous. I placed 11th. I got a 131 overall PV single and a 148 average. How I did it was kind of I planned a farther head inspection and used that wisely, and then I also really collected myself before I started the solve. And I think it really had a great impact on my times. Then 3x3 second round happened, finals, and that was pretty cool. You'll see what happened there. I have like 4 of the solves. Really fun. I got a PB single or PR single 10 3x3, a 13-second average, which is PR, and I got a really good in 5x5 finals, and I made 5x5 finals and 3x3 finals, and in 5x5 finals, I got a 140 average and a 131 PB single overall. So this competition was really fun, and glad I went to it. Bye. See you next week. Yeah, overall, I had a great time at this competition. It was so much fun hanging out with cubers and my cousin and eating Chipotle. That was really good. And getting some great results, like results I thought were way up, like my goals I thought were high, but I crushed all of them except for 2x2. It's the bane of my existence. But don't tell anybody I said that because they'll be really mad at me. But yeah, I had a really fun time at that competition. So thanks for watching. Yeah, like and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to.